Here's how to join you versus Homer Discord server. From your Discord, click on the Add a Server options. And then once you have already clicked on that, you'll be redirected on the page where you will see there join a server. Now what you need to do is to click on that as well. After clicking on that, you will be redirected on the page where you will see there the link where you need to paste on the invite link, or for the accurate, you can just go ahead and type UVS Homer. Once you have already typed on that, down below you will see there join a server or join server. What you need to do is to click on that. After clicking on that, you have to wait for a few seconds until you see there the U versus Homer server. Now once you have already see it, you can now go ahead and try to enjoy its features, and you can go ahead and try to chat through the server and ask for its more features.